Hi guys! Welcome back to Skincare with Anes. So today I'm gonna show you my skincare routine for this morning. So the first thing I always do in the morning is to cleanse my face. So cleansing is important, as I've explained before, because you need to remove all the dirt that is stuck to your face while you were sleeping. You may think that your skin is clean when you are sleeping, but you forget that when you sleep, your pillowcase have lots of dirt and dust on it, so it will come in the middle of the night and stick to your face because you toss and turn, toss and turn, toss and turn. So yes, cleanse your face, people. So I'm using my Mary Kay Botanical Effects Cleanser Formula 1. This is actually for dry skin. Yesterday I've actually masked my face with charcoal mask and my face feel very dry, so I went in with this cleanser and it helps soothe my skin because it is for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to check out this because this is plant based. Next, I'm going in with toner. So today's toner will be Lancome Tonific Confect. Okay, so I've been using this for a while now. I've been using this since November, and I've used it day and night. Okay, so usually when you use day and night, your toner will finish between 3 to 4 months at least. But this, guys, this is 400 milliliter. This is worth your investment if you were to buy it. The price tag is $79 in Sephora. I'm taking the general price tag from Sephora because everybody can check out Sephora. So this is 400 ml and you can use it. I think this is a very good investment. You can use it for one whole year, I think. So now it's already May and I still have at least another 3/4, another slightly more than half. Yeah, it's a good investment. So I'm gonna use it now. So first things first, take a clean cotton pad, pour it some on your cotton pad. Yeah, so what I usually love to do is once it's on here, it's a bit watery because it's lotion like, so I like to damp it in just to fold it in so every part of the cotton pad is there, and I just swipe upwards. This is very hydrating, guys. If you have dry skin, this is a very good investment for you. It will soothe your skin. It has honey and if I'm not mistaken, it has sweet almond extract for your skin, for soothing of your skin. Okay, so if you have irritated skin, you have sensitive skin, this is perfect for you to use on a daily basis. Plus, not to forget, you save money because the bottle is huge. Okay, so now my skin is dry from the toner. I'm going in with my serum, my favorite serum as of recently. It is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow Brightening. This is my baby for glowy skin. So all you have to do is you just pump. I like to use 2 pumps for glowy skin. 1 pump is great, but 2 pumps is awesome. So what I always do is I do this. So this product actually gives you the glow while having niacinamide in the ingredients too. It gives you the ultimate glow that you would love to wake up to. So what is niacinamide? Niacinamide helps to reduce inflammation and also reduce your pore size. So if you have big pores, you can actually use this on a daily basis, or you can use it like 2 to 3 times a week. Don't have to use it every single day because sometimes your skin may be sensitive to it, or because they are not used to it. So you can use this and minimize your pores and at the same time have glowy, glassy skin. So I'm just pushing it in. I love using this because of the glow and the smell and how smooth my skin feels after that. For dry skin, usually you want to achieve a glowy and dewy skin, but for oily skin, I think you want a glowy without the oil. So yeah, I love this. See how glowing it is. Next, I'm going in with moisturizers. You should not skip your moisturizer, because if you don't want your fine lines and your wrinkles to be seen so clearly, use moisturizers so that your skin is hydrated and you won't have any dry areas that will show all your fine lines. Okay, so with today I'm going in with my Clinique ID Dramatically Different Moisturizing Tone Up Gel. This is with in pink color because it is oil free, and it also gives you the radiance and the glow that I need. And I'm using the Cartridge fatigue because my skin is always tired and I'm always staying up late, so my skin is actually quite tired, and it needs the extra boost so that it will look so haggard and dry and all the fine lines being seen. So this is perfect for me, and I actually have dry skin, but I prefer to use water based or at least oil free moisturizers also as well. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do like 1-2 pumps, rub it in and put it on my skin. It has that chemically smell, but not to worry, once it's absorbed to your skin, you won't actually smell it anymore. Plus, after makeup is on, seriously, all this smell, there won't be any smell, and it's not so bad actually, the smell. Just that you can actually just ignore the smell unless it's very bad, like certain products I've actually tried, but this smells fine. Okay, keep pushing your face upwards so that you won't have wrinkly skin. So push it upwards in a way like you're massaging it and letting the blood circulate. Right. Okay, so now we are going into my favorite product, which is eye cream. And today I'm gonna use Clinique All About Eye Reach Reduce Circles Puff eye cream. Okay, so this eye cream, I've been using it for quite a while now, and it is super hydrating. I haven't been using eye cream that is super hydrating for quite a while now. I keep changing all my eye creams every now and then, because sometimes after a while when you use a certain product, the eye area tends to get comfortable with it and it doesn't show any progress anymore. So for me, I like to switch it up every few days or few weeks. So today I'm going in with Clinique All About Eye Reach Reduce Circles and Puff. So this is very hydrating for my skin, and it also reduces dark circles and also fine lines over time. So use your pinky finger because it has less friction and less pressure on it, so that you won't actually damage your under eyes areas, because the under eyes areas is very thin. So you just massage it. Don't put it too near to your eye, because your eye cream can actually travel towards your eye area, and usually your eye area is this corner that is a bit dark, and over here will be your fine lines. So this actually helps with your fine lines too. If you know any eye exercise, you can actually do it too, but for me, I don't have the luxury of that at the moment. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my pinky finger and just massaging it outwards. Don't tug on your eye area because the skin over there is very thin. So what you can do is just massage it this way. The last product that I'm gonna use is, of course, sunscreen. For today's sunscreen, it's gonna be Skin Aqua Tone Up UV Essence. I like using this because it is lightweight and it's not sticky to your face, and it's purple in color. So when it's purple in color, it's usually more for radiance, and it's to cover up like redness. Yeah, so I don't actually have much redness going on unless it's around my nose area. So yes, you can use as much as you want, but for me, I always squeeze up a fat amount of sunscreen on my palm, so that I don't have to like use it like one straight lines on it. Alright, so it's really up to you. For me, I prefer to do it this way, you might have a preference on using it as per strips version. It all depends on preference. And this sunscreen doesn't give you that white cast, and it's so smooth on your skin and give you the radiance, and it's not oily. At least for me, when I use sunscreen, I'm quite particular about how oily it is after a while, but this doesn't, so I actually love this. And yeah, to be honest, this is SPF 50. You don't actually need that high when you're indoors. Usually you will need 50 when you're outdoors, like at the beach, or when you're always doing deliveries, you will need such high SPF. But when you're at home, you don't need to. But I'm just showing you that I actually love using this. Okay, so I like to go with a bit of little somethings for my lips. So usually I'll go in with lip eyes. I've been using this ever since I've been working from home, and I like how hydrating it is. So you just swipe it across your lips, and that's it. I use this and retouch up every few minutes or hours depending on what I eat. So yes, hydrating lips helps you not to get cracked lips. Yeah, it's not nice for cracked lips. Yeah. Last but not least, the last thing that I cannot live without is my Elixxi beauty drink. So this is actually a collagen drink that actually gives you the UV protection and also the radiance to your skin. It gives you the hydrations of your skin that it needs to without giving you the additional oils and everything, and it is good for your hair, skin and nails. So I've been drinking this for 5 months now, and I love it. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So I got a glass of water over here and a sachet for myself. I'm just gonna cut it and then pour it in a cup. Don't worry, every sachet comes with an expiry date, so you don't have to worry that only the box have the expiry date. Don't worry, every sachet will have its expiry date. And then I'll take a spoon and I stir. After that, you drink. You can drink it with cold water, which might be thirst quenching for you. You can drink it with room temperature. Just don't drink it with warm water, because I actually prefer it with room temperature and also cold water. It's perfect. With that, we have ended today's session of skincare with Anes. So stay tuned for my next episode. Bye!